Alright. Hey guys, it's Remy and welcome back to my channel. Yes, my voice is still gone, but I'm here coming at you guys with a new video today. I am very excited for this one. This video today is part 2 of my 3-part series that I'm doing all around my birthday party. So yes, if you guys did not know, I've been making YouTube videos for a very, very long time now. And at one point, I feel like I was very well known on YouTube for making DIY projects. I made so many DIY videos, you don't even know, you guys. And honestly, I enjoy crafting, like, you know, the normal amount that probably someone likes to do. I made so many of these videos because you guys would always ask for them. Here's the tea. Here is what you all didn't know, but I feel like I probably should have told you. I feel like almost every single project actually did not turn out well. Ask any person who makes DIY videos on YouTube, I can almost guarantee it does not turn out as well as we make it look on camera. Specifically, this one time, I remember I made like some canopy thing for my bedroom. It literally broke my ceiling of my house. I didn't know how to build it. I didn't know how to hang it, but still I made it look okay for the video and then hung it up. Then my ceiling broke, but you didn't see that. So I haven't made a DIY project in a very, very long time, but then for the party, I thought it could be fun to make some stuff just because it is more inexpensive to make it yourself. Usually, sometimes it did cost more. So I figured for the party, it would be fun if I took you guys to the craft store and then took you guys back and try to make some projects in real time. You know, not faking anything, not turning anything towards the camera at a different angle so it looks better. Just trying to make some projects for you guys and seeing how it goes. So yes, that is the truth behind pretty much every DIY video I have ever made. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of that hot tea, and let's get started. So we went shopping. Alright guys, we're at Michael's. I haven't stepped foot into a Michael's in, honestly, probably over a year because I haven't done a DIY project in so long on my channel. I used to frequent this one like 3 times a week, I'm not even kidding. We're gonna attempt to do some DIY project. We're just gonna see how this goes, but we're gonna try and make some stuff for Remchella, so let's go. Cute! I feel like I just need like a bunch of them. Gold is very Coachella-ish, right?
Yeah.
Early American. Not late, early. I used to know this place like the back of my hand. It's been so long. We should write Remchella and then put flowers on it. Oh, I love this idea. We could paint them and do like ombre, like pink to red to orange. Yeah. That'd be cute. Rem, R-E-M. We're picking out flowers to put on the Remchella sign. Color scheme. Nailed it. We're just getting a mixture. We're just gonna like try. We're picking out flowers to put on the flower crown. Is this too big for a flower crown? We can make like a really big flower crown. I haven't made a flower crown in a very, very, very long time, so we're gonna see. So I wanna make a sign that, you know when you go to like the Bahamas or something and it's like 2,000 miles this way, 3,000 miles this way, like go this way. I wanna do one for like VIP, Rose Garden, whatever they have at Coachella, but I don't know what to use. Usually I'll just walk around and like see what sparks an interest and like, oh, maybe I could do it with that, but I don't see anything yet. A really cool shot where I like look awesome when I walk in. Oh well. First of all, please excuse the fact that I look hideous. I am prepping for Remchella right now and I just got a spray tan. So we're letting it set. But while we do that, we're going to, let's do a little haul. I'll show you guys everything that I got and what we're thinking of doing and creating. I have not DIY'd a craft in like probably a couple years now. It's been a very long time. I have chills, I'm nervous. Haul time, what we're gonna make. Coachella, I feel like screams like a lot of like wooden signs, like very rustic, very like cute like that. Boho chic, if you will. So, for this, I got many wooden signs. We've got this one here. We've got these ones here. We've got this big long one here. We've got these ones here. We just went shopping yesterday and I already forgot what we're gonna make, so this is gonna be fun. Extra glue because you can never have too much hot glue. Oh yeah, we're gonna make flower crowns. I have some bandanas here. An absurd amount of fake flowers. Oh, we've got these cute little cactus and succulents to somehow glue onto my signs maybe. Flowers on flowers on flowers on flowers. some bubbles because cute for the photo booth. There's a few things that I don't actually need to craft, like these I just bought. We got glitter letters. I've got so many, but honestly, watch me not even have enough. This always happens. Glitter letters of all different sizes. I got these stars because I'm really trying to make stars a part of my brand. So I got these. That was the most annoying thing I've ever said. A good old-fashioned wood stain, which I haven't used this in forever. And also with the spray tan, I can't get any paint or anything on me. I can't get my hands wet, so we're gonna really try not to. More glitter letters, and then little wooden letters to spell out Remchella. So let me get this all organized. All right, so from my years of doing an absurd amount of DIY projects and DIY videos, I have gathered quite a collection of supplies to make all these projects. So welcome to my craft closet. It's insane. Welcome. In here I have so many. I knew I didn't need to buy new pipe cleaners. That's my thing, is I would always rebuy stuff and then I just have like 50,000 things I didn't even need. Oh my god, I can make cute little coasters. Oh, here's like picture frames and stuff. I have a wooden log in here. This could actually be really cute. We got felt, we got cardstock, we got twine. Color palette we're going for pink, red, orange, white. Look at this. So impressive. Red. Ooh, we only have one orange left. Yellow, and then pink for sure. If you couldn't tell, I was a sorority girl. Best white shade ever. It's called Wedding Cake by Martha Stewart. I don't know why I knew that by heart. Brushes. We need one of these guys. I need one of these guys. Glitter. Here we go. Wow! Oh, cute. Okay, we got it. This has been more steady in my life than any man ever has. All right, first step, we got a water cup. I'm gonna soak these little sponges because it makes it easier to, makes it a little easier with the paint. We got a plate. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna decorate these letters. I'm going to attempt to paint them with like a pink, red, orange, ombre look. Maybe sprinkle a little glitter on top and then put them out like this. And then after maybe put some like flowers on, maybe some like cacti if it looks good. But first we need to paint. Oh, so cute. We're gonna start with the red. Killing it. I need to like go like that with more of a, yeah. Insert fake smile and upbeat ukulele here. Did the red, we're gonna save this sponge now and I'm gonna move on to the orange and try to like blend the two together. And then I'll use the red to like mix them up a little bit more. I don't know if that made any sense. Oh, yeah, it's not good. Too much water. I messed up already. I'm gonna need a different orange, I think. This one's a little too fluorescent as it is. Let me find a new orange, if I have any. Orange, take two. I'm gonna put it out on here. I don't know why I put it on top of the old paint. I'm so stupid. We might just have to cancel the whole party. Okay, this one's like a kind of ugly, rusty orange. Oh my god, yellow and red! Genius primary colors, Elias. We got like a true red and a true yellow. Now we're gonna mix the red and some yellow together. Is it just getting redder or is it just me? Now it's like pink. All right, that one's a fail. We're gonna go back to the rusty orange then. You guys, I'm not even planning for this. I would have just bought the orange if I knew. Moving on to yellow. Oh, that actually looks good. Looks good. Finishing it off, we got a couple shades of pink. It's just all about the transitioning between the shades, you know? Last color, hot pink at the bottom. I think they actually look so good. Actually, not bad. Better than I was expecting. We're going to let them dry for a little bit and then we'll move on to gluing them later. But now we can move on to the next one because this isn't a real DIY video and I don't have to act like it suddenly dried immediately. Moving on. I'm having a snack break. I'm making little signs that people can hold up. One of them I have to write "Meet me at the Star at 3:20" because it's an inside joke between Alicia and I that was based around Coachella. These letters and just like random things, I don't even know what to write. What should we write on them? The only thing is these letters are really big. I I did not account for this. I could write on it with paint if need be.
We've seen how you are with paint.
I'm great with paint. All right, that one's a fail. Is there only one of each of the alphabet in here? I need 2 L's for Remchella. Dang it. I don't think it's gonna work. All my friends are really annoying and I feel like they'll really appreciate this one. We're gonna write Where's in puffy paint and VIP here. I hate them. That doesn't even look like an E, does it? Or does it? Oh, I hate it, Eli. Give me that wipey. Blinker for Remchella. Okay, I'm gonna write it out with a marker first and then draw over it.
Round 2?
Round 2. Lauren's the DIY queen. I'm the DIY queen's second cousin twice removed. You need to ensure everything stays on. Like, I'm gonna hot glue these right now because if I didn't, it would for sure not stick. Check.
Things not to do.
You have to put pressure on it. Okay, I'm sending Alicia a picture of this right now. Oh my God, so cute.
I can't focus on that.
Oh, well just now she said, oh my God, so cute. Okay, we're planning the next one. I know what I'm gonna write. Are there 2? Yeah, there's 2 A's, okay. Oh my God, I totally know what we're gonna write. Turn it off, I wanna surprise everyone.
Okay.
These are so pretty. Are you ready? Me and Childish Gambino. I'm getting excited. This is gonna be so fun. All right, so we ran out of glitter letters, so we're gonna DIY some by sprinkling this glitter on top of the puffy paint and then gently tapping off the excess. Ooh! Also, no Tino shade of Tame and Paula. I'm sure they seem like great people. Signs are done. They turned out really cute, actually. I'm proud of myself. We cracked a window to let some fresh air in, and we're gonna do wood stain on this sign here. For this sign, I was thinking like, you know when you go to like the Bahamas or you're like on vacation? It's like a little like directional sign. So I was thinking about making one of those with this thing that I got here and putting like rose garden this way, stage this way, drinks that way, like something like that. I got an A in wood shop, no big deal.
Are you okay?
Me. No, it was fine. It scared me. I don't even know if this is correct. I'm just gonna like go like that. Today we're using the shade Early American. Look at this nice birch. Really getting my workout in with this too, with the arm muscles. Chocolate vanilla swirl, cookie crunch flakes. All right. We're gonna make flower crowns because that just screams Coachella. Next up, guys, I washed the spray tan off. Hopefully it looks okay. We are going to do flower crowns because flower crowns just scream Coachella to me. More so like 2014 Coachella, but we have to make some for the photo booth. I'm tired, can you tell? I'm going to take this coiled wire and then wrap it around my head. I have like a pretty normal sized head, I'd say. So give it a little more for people with bigger heads. And then fold that here, stretch it all the way out, and then cut it. I'm not following a tutorial. I'm just going off of what I remember doing back in the day. So, all right, we have 2 pieces. That should be, oh my God, my eye. Okay, we have 2 pieces. I'm gonna start on the loopy end, and I'm going to make little like rings like this all the way around. See, like that. Looks like DNA. I don't remember how I made it look good. How did I fake it? Not too bad, right?
Not bad.
Oh, thank God. Okay. If it looks ugly, it's okay because we're gonna cover it up with fake flowers all over. And this is YouTube. And little do you know, every DIY project really is not that good. People just don't know. Now, the fun part. Not too many. Okay. I'm going to pick up a flower. I'm gonna put some glue on this little stem piece. Be very careful not to burn yourself. And then you go into one of these little grooves and you just like hold it there until it solidifies. And it takes some time and you have to be very patient and it's not fun. And there you go. But we're gonna do that over and over and over. You know what I could do too is you don't have to do like them completely covering. You could like do some gaps too. Pretty good already. I should do a pattern. I'm gonna keep just repeating this pattern over and over again until we're filled. Dun, 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 dun. Is it good?
Look in the mirror.
Is it bad? Oh no.
Do it James Charles, like, you know, at the end.
I look so ugly today. Okay, we're back. The Ramchella letters have dried completely. They look so cute. I'm gonna put them out on the sign now, and I'm gonna glue them on here, as well as these little like succulent things, I'm hoping. All right, I'm laying everything out now. The succulents look cute. Sarah's helping us with all the flowers. Shout out. All right, last but not least, we have the sign that I did the wooden stain on. It looks really, really good. I'm now going to write random little places that Coachella has, and then I'll draw like paint little arrows on in different colors, but I'm thinking Rose Garden, Beer Gardens one. Okay, let's just go for it. And I'll put restrooms. Now, our white puffy paint. Oh no, there's a chunk. Two hands is much easier and doesn't hurt nearly as badly. We found puffy paint in different colors, and now I'm gonna put little arrows. I don't wanna write with puffy paint ever again in my entire life, but you guys, look how cute this is. I don't wanna flip it. I put a lot of puffy paint, so we're gonna be lucky if it dries by the party, but we have a few more flowers left over from the crowns and the signs, so I think I'm gonna add.
It doesn't look good.
Oh my god.
Your face. Can we get a replay?
Actually really impressed. It all turned out much better than I was expecting. And the finished I don't want to break it. Ramchella sign. It turned out honestly even better than I was expecting. I love it. Woo! Let's party! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed making some DIY projects in real life with me, or in real time, not in real life, because you're watching a YouTube video. They honestly turned out better than I was expecting, and I'm pretty proud of myself. A little pat on the back. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!